the most comfortable is actually when you go to the mall, you go around and you're together, you look the same, then people start sometimes want to have pictures with you, go around you, communicate with you, and just the feeling of being with you makes them feel that it's something different from other people.